Goodreads is a free website created for book lovers to research and interact with books and other book lovers. It is an inviting space for readers and writers of all kinds to seek all kinds of interaction. One feature of this space is the reviews section. The website is a space that allows readers to explore new books based on their interests as well as review the books when they finish them. By simply searching the title of a book, the options are endless. Readers can use the review feature to determine whether they want to read a book and give their personal input when they are finished. In this affinity space, readers can interact with each other in the reviews feature by commenting and beginning conversations about their opinions on the story. Discussions begin and can continue as long as the readers participate. This feature is a great way for a teacher to pair up students in their class or in another class, even in other schools, to communicate about a book. A second feature of the Goodreads Affinity space is the Community tab. This feature of this space includes a section titled Groups, where readers can join different genre groups based on their reading interests, such as young adult literature, fringe fiction, sci-fi drama, and many more options. Within these groups are novel recommendations for subgenres, discussion boards, chat boards, photos, and even videos that relate to this specific interest group. Groups of readers are able to interact actively or passively with readers just like them. A third feature of Goodreads is the Ask the Author tab. This is the special piece of the affinity space that readers really enjoy. You have the opportunity to ask specific authors questions about the literature, and they reply. You can follow these authors to see updates on their Goodreads pages. You can also see what questions others have had about their writing pieces. Readers can inquire about topics they were curious about before, during, or after reading. This feature would be great for a classroom, as teachers could help students prep questions for their authors. Class discussion in school can spark questions for students to use in this affinity space. Lastly, another great and creative feature of Goodreads is the creative writing section. This allows readers to write their own literature. Common writing pieces in this section consist of fan fiction, but the possibilities are truly endless here. You choose a very specific genre to post your written piece into for others to read and even review for you. What a great way for students to participate in this affinity space for an assignment that is completely outside the classroom. Aside from school, this is a great site for readers to research, explore, and participate in the reading and writing process. This affinity space is a learning space that fosters a reader's growth and passions while still having fun in the process. Check out the free website Goodreads for a good time.